Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to redeem Gift Minecraft Java Edition in a simple step-by-step way. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open any web browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Minecraft website at minecraft.net. This is the official platform where gift cards are redeemed, and using the correct site is important to avoid errors or fake pages. Step 2. Once the website loads, look at the top menu and click on Account. Then find and select the option labeled Redeem. This section is specifically designed for activating gift cards and game codes. Step 3. Now you will see different gift card options for Minecraft editions. Make sure to choose the Redeem Java Edition option. This step is important because selecting the correct edition ensures the game is added properly to your account. Step 4. After selecting Java Edition, sign in using your Microsoft or Minecraft account credentials. Logging in is required so the game can be linked directly to your personal account. Step 5. Once logged in, carefully enter the gift card code printed on your Minecraft Java Edition card. Double check the code for accuracy. Then click on the Redeem button to complete the process. Step 6. After successful redemption, you will see a confirmation message and Minecraft Java Edition will be added to your account, allowing you to download and play the game anytime. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful gaming and tech tutorials.